At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, May 18, 2023, 5 investors betting big on Lucid Motors stock. Saudi Arabia's public investment fund remains the largest shareholder of Lucid stock. Saudi Arabia's public investment fund is the largest shareholder of Lucid with ownership of 1.1 billion shares. Other top shareholders include BlackRock and Vanguard. Lucid stock is up by over 15% year to date. Can Lucid Motors, Nasdaq LCID, produce 10,000 electric vehicles this year? That seems to be a key focus for 2023, as CEO Peter Rawlinson reiterated his guidance for over 10,000 vehicles this year during Lucid's first quarter earnings report. For the 3 months ended March 31st, Lucid produced 2,314 vehicles and delivered 1,406 of them. That led to revenue of $149.4 million, up by about 159% year over year. We continue to grow our brand awareness, and I'm proud to say that the Lucid Air was recently awarded a number of prestigious industry accolades, said Rawlinson. We will unveil our Gravity SUV later this year ahead of its launch in 2024, and we cannot wait for everyone to experience it. Shareholders should also expect no equity raises this year, as CFO Sherry House stated that Lucid had cash equivalents and investments of $4.1 billion. She added that this figure should be able to support business operations until at least second quarter of 2024. Meanwhile, Lucid announced earlier this month that it had appointed Andrea Soriani as its Vice President of Marketing. Soriani brings over 25 years of global marketing experience and previously worked under Ferrari and Maserati. 5 investors betting big on Lucid stock. Tracking institutional ownership is important, as these large investors provide liquidity and support for stocks. During first quarter, 43313F filers disclosed a stake in Lucid, a decline of 15 filers from the previous quarter. Of those filers, only one of them owns Lucid in their top 10 positions, and that is Saudi Arabia's public investment fund. In total, the number of shares owned by 13F filers tallies in at 1.316 billion, down from 1.325 billion. Meanwhile, the institutional put-to-call ratio sits at 1.65, up from 1.25. That's equivalent to 28.2 million puts and 17.10 million calls, implying a bearish option stance. With that in mind, let's take a look at the top 5 shareholders of the company. 1. PIF, 1.1 billion shares. PIF's position remained unchanged during first quarter. 2. Vanguard Group, 58.13 million shares. Vanguard acquired 5.58 million shares during first quarter. 3. BlackRock, 34.33 million shares. BlackRock acquired 2.88 million shares during first quarter. 4. State Street, 11.87 million shares. State Street acquired 1.02 million shares during first quarter. 5. Geode Capital Management, 9.96 million shares. Geode acquired 1.13 million shares during first quarter. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.